Hi, this is James. I am excited to let you know that there is a new tool that is launching on 12th October 2021 at 10 a.m. Eastern. Now, this tool, known as NFT Collection Maker, is going to help you boost your business if you are in that area or even start a business in that field if that is your desire. I got a demo coming up as well as a quick review of this product. Click the link below to discover the bonuses you shall receive when you pick up NFT Collection Maker through my link. Subscribe, click the bell icon, and select all notifications so that all future videos that I create that are going to give you tips and ideas on how to boost your business or take your business to the next level, you will receive them. So now let's head on over and watch this interesting demo and review.
Okay, here we are inside the platform you can use with Mac or PC, and we'll see how fun and easy it is to make these great looking collections of generated art inside NFT Collection Maker. And you start by going to Create in the left panel, and we'll call this collection Demo B, hit Save, and the first thing you'll do is make the traits for the images its parts. And the first trait we'll make, hit Create, start with Background. Its default layer is 1, save it. The next trait will be Body, default layer 2, save. And the third trait will be Hair, default layer 3, and so on. And I'm going to go to Demo A to save time. It's already made, and this is what all the traits look like when they're finished. You can see all the layers and all the items that have been added to make the arts look so great. And you can add as many items as you like here. So let's check on the clothing preview window here and look, and these are the cool parts that you can add, and here you can define the rarity of the items you've added or chance of the items to be included in the image. And by default, it's 100 divided by the number of images, so you can see here this item appears in 3.85% in all the images in the collection. And of course, you can control how often you want certain items to appear by adjusting this fantastic handy slider. Now, in another item, a feature we haven't seen anywhere else, multi-images in each item. The same image with two parts, because some hair may not work with, say, the hoodie, so you can choose there, and also some more flexibility. Sometimes you don't want some items working with other items, so back to traits quickly here, open the hair preview. As an example, this beret here won't work with the hoodie I showed you, right? So you go to forbidden items here, and you add other items to not be generated in this image. And in this case, you can see here, black hoodie clothing, bathrobe, and a few other items. Super, super, super cool. The perfect image you envision. All right, now back to the NFT panel to see how to generate your previews, and wait till you see how quickly that happens with thousands of unique images being generated in almost no time. So I just will delete these previews here so I can regenerate and show you the magic. So watch this. Generate preview, we're making 3,000 images, hit go. Not even in 2 seconds. And you have 3,000 images generated. So now you can review your images, and maybe you have a couple you don't want to use. I have 2 that I don't want generated with the 3,000, so I click on disable on each image. And so I go back to generate preview again. I will add 2 more, which will replace the 2 disabled images, and the TTC technology makes sure they are completely unique. So see, I actually have 3,002 images with 2 disabled to keep me at 3,000 images. You go to the Fresh button, and here are your newly generated unique images. And here they all are by pushing all. Wow! 3,000 fantastic images to generate. Each one is unique. You just can't do that manually. And there you are.
All right, guys, so now that you are done with the demo of NFT Collection Maker, let's go through the sales page. And as you have seen in the demo, you are able to create massive crypto NFT art collections using NFT Collection Maker. automatically with this new technology known as TTC AI tech. And you have them ready for sale with as little effort as humanly possible, as you again saw in the demo. So let's pick up certain things here which I find interesting, which will help you make an informed decision. So this includes free software updates, and it's a cloud app. Remember that again. So you don't need to install it. And it doesn't matter whether you have a Windows or a Mac computer. And it comes with a 30-day, no conditions, money back guarantee. And there are tons of reviews as you go through this sales page. Now, I must say that this sales page, although it is long, it gives you enough information. There's not much fluff here, enough information to help you make that informed decision. So it's got tons of reviews. And as you have seen, it's pretty easy to create. There are only 3 steps that are involved in creating these collections. Now, I'm not going to go through every piece of information here, except for the really important things that I'm going to unpack and show you how it could benefit you. So all these basic details, I suggest you go through it yourself. And if you don't know what is crypto art, he gives a very brief information here, as well as NFT minting. And if you are a non-artist, as long as you have a good eye for what is beautiful, you can use NFT collection to create these collections. Now, he also gives about 90 of these experiences of people who have sold NFTs on OpenSea. And if you're not familiar with OpenSea, that's where all the crypto art guys, or as well as non-fungible tokens guys, go and hang out and sell their stuff. So he has got about 9 cases like this, and you can see from here the value of these kind of NFT collections. It's crazy amounts. And these are all valued in ETH or Ethereum tokens. I hope I got that right. And here's a case study of lockdown lemmings, how this 3,000 plus collection sold out in minutes only after Paris Hilton had shouted out about it, or she rather tweeted about it, and it was sold immediately. And here's an explanation of what ETH is. And it goes on to explain how you can make money with NFT. And here are more. And here's another case study, Sneaky Vampire Syndicate case study. So here's something interesting. Now, these collections that you create, you are not really competing with anyone. And you know this is how art collections work. One art piece doesn't compete with another one. Beauty is truly in the eyes of the beholder. So as long as your collection gets the eye of someone who loves this, the sale will be made. And Andrew Darius, who is the creator of this, will show you where you actually can hang out to have your art pieces or your collections actually sold. We'll be coming to that in a moment. And this is the fastest growing sector of the blockchain, NFTs. And this is an opportunity for you to become a part of the fast growing crypto economy. As you have seen, cryptocurrencies or crypto economies really growing at a tremendously exponential rate. So what NFT does for you is that it removes the difficulty of creating these NFT art collections, because this tool kind of makes it automated for you, because it is only 3 simple steps. So you can get this done extremely fast, just as you have seen in the demo. And of course, you don't need any agencies with this tool. You can just do it yourself. Now, one other thing that Andrew Darius is giving out with this charter member or founder member of NFT art collection is that you get your own Ethereum NFT token contract template. So you can use this every time you have an art piece or art collection that you want to sell. And he has got step-by-step tutorial videos to make this as easy as possible. And he also will provide the copy-paste buy button once you are ready to sell your art collection. And you also get a pass to the secret alpha group. And this is the group I was talking about, where you can sell your art pieces or learn where to sell your art pieces and be in this group of people who are discussing about NFT art collection. All right, guys, so lean in as I reveal the price. There are two versions of this. So this is the founder's special deal you're going to get. And remember, there is a full 30-day money-back guarantee. So take it for a spin. If you are not sure whether this works, the only way you can find out is by getting the software or the tool and taking it for a test drive. Just like when you buy a house, you do not buy a house without checking the insides. So exactly in the same way, you got to put this to use and see if it works for you or otherwise. Okay, now the first version is the one NFT art collection, where you, with this package, you only can create one NFT art collection up to 7,000 art pieces, and you have a full year's access. Now, the next version is the 5 NFT art collections. And again, this comes with 7,000 art pieces. And this also is a full 1-year access. And the price is one-time payment of the 1 NFT is 277. And for the 5 NFT is 497. One-time payment. So let's just review and recap from the FAQs what he has mentioned. This is a cloud-based app, so there's nothing to install on a computer. And we have just gone through the price. And all updates for version 1 point whatever, 1.x is free during the duration of the license. Now, obviously, when version 2 comes out, you will have to upgrade. And I know Andrew Darius, the way he does things is that whenever there's an upgrade to version 2 and beyond, you just need to pay a much lower upgrade fee compared to those who are coming in new. And there are tutorial videos, and support is straightforward. Just email support at this email address, or just go to this address to get support. And there is a money-back guarantee once again, 30 days, no questions asked. And if you want to follow Andrew Darius about NFT and the crypto space, then his Twitter account is there. So just jump in and follow him. So once again, here's the 30-day money-back guarantee. And you can also get onto the NFT Collection Maker Discord server as well by just clicking here. Now, guys, in case you did not get it, the bonus is the access pass to the secret alpha group. So that's the bonus that Andrew Darius is giving out for all those who pick up this founder's deal, special deal during this launch period. So that is the bonus, which is a huge bonus. Okay, let's go through the OTOs now. There are only 2 OTOs. Upsell 1 is the Pro upgrade, which he calls a Pinata API integration, where you upgrade to the 10,000 collection size, plus you get 30 collections going for $497. Now, Upsell 2 is the agency upgrade, where you get the license to sell the NFT art collection making services. You get to add 5 team sub-accounts, and you get 250 collections, and you upgrade. This upgrade comes with the 20,000 collection, going for $997. So there you go, guys. I hope this quick walkthrough of NFT Collection Maker has given you some ideas to help you decide if this is a business that you want to enter, or if you are already in this business, if this tool is going to help you boost your business even further. Now, again, check out the link below and discover the bonuses that you're going to receive from me when you pick up NFT Collection Maker through my link. Subscribe, Click the bell icon and select all notifications and enjoy NFT Collection Maker.